Okay, because I'm out here, and I might as well, and I've pretty much recorded everything but, like, 2 fans out here, which are the 2 in the very back right there, the Builder's Best and that foot FPV thing. This here is going to be Harbory's Mayfield. Just going to do this. Oop. Here's the light. And we're going to start it up on low. I cannot find the pull chain ornaments, though. I literally cannot find them. Save my damn life. Gonna step back here and record it. This one here also has a really bad bearing issue. This one has a lot of stiff bearing. Like, this one here has probably the quickest spin down time of literally any fan I've ever had. The bearings are completely shot in it. Also, finally got this one to balance. This is only one of the few... This is one of few that I've seen that does not hit the motor housing because I've actually fucked with it so much to where it is so balanced, but it still wobbles like really bad. But here's medium. This is where it will begin to wobble, and yeah. This one here is dated 2011. These replaced the Litex all-weathers that I have. These were their replacements. And is what replaced these was, well, boob lights. Just brushed nickel boob lights. Here, you can really tell it if I stay still. This thing does wobble quite bad. This is just medium, but well, here's the light off. And why the hell it keeps doing that, but I don't know why it keeps doing that every now and then. That annoying ass buzzing. But I'll like do it, and then I'll twist the light, it'll stop, but then it goes right back. You can see it still wobbles quite a bit, but blades are stupidly droopy. But oh, there's the top shot. I forget what kind of bolts I have in here. Oh yeah, I have a bunch of incandescents in here. 2 of them match, the other one burnt out when I pulled the chain, but yeah. And then here's some what's been down. Well, and somewhat spit out. And back to low you go. That's it, bye.